It's not only about the machines we sell, it's about the service we provide to our customers. Almost 60% of our turnover was in the automotive sector. For us, a customer is for all the rest of our, I would say, industrial life.
So what lasting message would you like to say to industry? We're here at the BM show in Bilbao in Spain, and I am on the Maquinser stand, and I'm with Christian. Now, Christian, I'd like to know more about your company and the brands that you represent. So who are the brands you represent? Because there's quite a lot of machines on your stand.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for coming, Lyndsey. It's our first time, so really appreciate. Basically, Maquinser means machines and service. So it's not only about the machines we sell, it's about the service we provide to our customers. Our main three brands are Matsuura, Tsugami, and Muratec.
So with the three brands here, what industries are you talking to? Who are your main customers then?
Many years ago, 2018, almost 60% of our turnover was in the automotive sector.
Yeah.
So we slightly changed it, and basically nowadays it's all about aerospace, also general machining, and then mold and die, electronic business. So it's a little bit of everything, I would say.
I think it's safe to say with the brands that you represent, you've diversified. So you're kind of hitting all target markets as well.
Depends obviously on what the market demand is, but we really try once again to provide good service, good machine. And as you may see, our, I would say, added value, we are always talking about unmanned solutions, so lights out solution, whether it's Matsuura, Tsugami, or Muratec.
So you're talking very much about automation now.
Yeah,
you're listening to the market and providing what the market requires.
Exactly.
In terms of you, let's go back to the people and the brands, because you've just said it's all about service. How do you support your customers then? And do you do anything unique in the marketplace?
We are around 80 people nowadays, and almost 1/3 is technicians, whether it's service or application. We also normally do every year training, whether it's in Japan or Europe. And this is something we try to keep up with, I would say, all the new technology or application our brands realize.
So what lasting message would you like to say to industry if you could? Why go to Maquinser?
We can provide not only good machines, good service. For us, a customer is for all the rest of our, I would say, industrial life. So we are a partner customers can count on. Because for us, there is always hurdle down the road. And this is, from my experience, I was also many years technician, little bit of application. So I know very well when the red alarm is on. So.
Yeah, absolutely. I love that because a business is driven from the top. That mentality falls all the way through a company. One lasting message then. What would you like to say to industry?
That we are an experienced company. We have the lucky side that maybe you will interview other staff. We have a mix from young people and also very experienced. So I would say it's a perfect match for customers also.
Thank you, Christian.
Thank you.